Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 7.1 question number 6. In this question there are some types. I am going to discuss this question 6 first part and the various types and how to solve and the method for solving the various types. So what is given in this question? Firstly I will solve this part and after that I will tell you how to solve the other parts also. So what is given in the first part? Name the quadrilaterals formed if any by the following points and give reason for your answer. You have to calculate what type of the quadrilateral is. Is it a parallelogram, square, rhombus or rectangle? We are having the various types but we have to discuss these four first. So I am having these coordinates. If this is a quadrilateral, I am going to draw it like that, as I have done in the isosceles triangle. I am having the coordinates of A, B, C and D. I have taken A, B, C and D respectively. Why respectively? Because if I have not taken it in order, it will be not a quadrilateral. It will be some other type of figure. So these are the coordinates of the quadrilateral. I have to calculate. I have to check what type of quadrilateral is this, a square or rectangle or rhombus. We have to check the distance between AB, BC, CD and DA. So what will I do? Firstly I will apply the formula on AB, the distance formula. What is that? X2 minus x1 whole square. 1 plus 1 whole square, 0 plus 2 whole square. It will be 2 square plus 2 square. 4 plus 4 is root 8 and after calculating the root of 8, it will be 2 under root 2. Similarly, I have calculated the distance between B and C. C minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square, 4 plus 4 root 8 2 root 2. Again the same. These are the same. Now this is 2 root 2. This is 2 root 2. Same I will calculate it for CD. Minus 1 minus 3 or minus 3 plus 1 whole square. It will be minus 2 whole square and minus 2 whole square, 4 plus 4 root 8 and again 2 root 2. And this is also 2 root 2. And after that next will be DA. Minus 1 plus 3 square plus minus 2 plus 0 square. Again the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. After calculating that, I am again getting the distance 2 root 2. So what is given in that? All the distances are same. All the AB, BC, CD and DA. Now two cases arise. Either it is a square or a rhombus. For a square, what will be the condition? In a square, what is the square? All the sides are equal and these diagonals are also equal. A, B, C, D. Actually I don't know, is it a rhombus? I am having two conditions, square or rhombus. Now I want to detect is it a square or a rhombus. So what will I do? I will check the diagonals AC and BD. Now the AC will be, you can check it. I am having the coordinates of A and the coordinates of C. The coordinates of A are, I am going to write it here, minus 1 minus 2, B is 1 0, C is minus 1 2 and D is minus 3 0. Again I am going to apply the formula, apply the same formula. What will be that? AC, A and C, this and this. Minus 1 plus 1 whole square, minus 2 whole square, 4 square 16, 16 that is 4. Similarly, I am going to calculate BD also. Now after calculating BD, it is 4. So what is that? Now diagonals are equal, sides are equal. So this is not a rhombus. If the sides are equal, diagonals are not equal, it is rhombus. But if a rhombus are having the equal diagonals, it will be a square. Now at last I will write diagonals AC and BD of the quadrilateral are equal. So AB and all the sides are equal. Therefore quadrilateral is a square. Now for the further questions, so I have proved that the coordinates given are the coordinates of a square. Similarly, I am having the various quadrilaterals. So I am going to discuss the various conditions for finding what type of figures are given. So what are the conditions? I have written some conditions by myself. That is not given in any book. So for your convenience, I have written on a separate page. So kindly please note it down in your fair notebooks also. So for a rhombus, firstly for a rhombus. So the conditions for a rhombus. all the sides must be equal. You have to calculate the distance between AB, BC, CD and DA. If all the sides becomes equal, means 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2, then this is a rhombus. And it can be a rhombus, it can be a square. For finding the sort out my confusion between the rhombus and a square, what will I do? I will calculate the diagonals. If the diagonals are not equal, then it is a rhombus. If the diagonals are equal, this is a square. All the sides equal, diagonals are equal. Okay. Now next is a quadrilateral. If all the sides are not equal to each other, then that is simply a quadrilateral. And in the case of rectangle, now what is the meaning of rectangle? Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. You can see a matchbox or that is a rectangular figure. Any rectangle you can take, in which length and breadth we can take like this. So opposite sides are equal. These opposite sides, the pair of opposite sides are equal. So AB equal to CD, AB, CD, AB equal to CD, BC equal to AD. So that is a rectangle. And in rectangle, it can be a parallelogram also. Parallelogram is having the same condition. But in rectangle, diagonals are equal. And in parallelogram, diagonals are not equal. So what will I do? I will find out the distances between AB, BC, CD and DA. If all are equal, diagonals not equal, then it will be a rhombus. All are equal, diagonals are also equal, square. If the all sides are not equal, quadrilateral. Opposite sides equal, 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is 3, this is 3. Then and the diagonals are also equal, then this is a rectangle. And if the diagonals are not equal, this is a parallelogram. So I will apply the same conditions on the other type also, and easily I can find out the solutions of these questions. So you can solve the second, third part by yourself with the help of these formulas or these basic concepts. We have already studied that concepts in 9th class also. So kindly go through that concept and please note it down in your fair notebooks. Thank you very much.